Hey people, so in my previous video I had said that I will show you all how to do mushroom cultivation. This is a bit heavy, so I'll put it down here. So mushroom cultivation is pretty simple, yeah. If you were to follow some videos on YouTube, they will tell you. But otherwise also it is just all about you can grow mushrooms in, like, in a polythene cover, in a packet. Just put some moist hay, like hay, you can literally boil it and then put it, and then a row of spores, then another row of the hay, another row of spores. You keep doing this till, that's what I would say. Actually, next time I shouldn't, I put like unlimited batch in this particular polythene cover, because I was not sure whether how to go about it. So now that I have some idea, I think more than 2 rows is not required in the single cover. Yeah, seriously. So that is interesting, and you have to cover the mushrooms also with another layer of moist hay. So the reason I'm saying this is, that's what, you can grow mushrooms at home, and then you don't need to spend money in buying mushrooms. Yeah, like, when you buy it in the market, it's expensive, right? So yeah, so you just need to do this, and this is the magical result. I'm so happy with it. This is the first time it's come. Now I'll try and find out where I can buy mushroom spores very cheaply. Last time I got it on Amazon, so I'll go and buy it again. So really people, so on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.